Attention to orders. The President of the United States awards this medal for exceptional courage, unwavering honor, and devotion to duty beyond the call of service. His actions reflect credit upon himself and the United States Army.
Hello, Joe?
Hello.
Hey, fellow warrior! Got a problem with me? Back off right now.
Calm down, you idiots! You have something on your cheek.
Oh really? Let me get it.
Are you going to stay here forever?
I want to be with you and live a quiet, peaceful life.
Who are you and what do you want?
She's my woman. Even if she's my ex, there's no such thing as an ex. You're finished. You're not gonna live.
You shouldn't go anywhere. He's a jerk and a scary person. Let's just get out of here.
I love you, and we won't hide. This will be my last fight.
I'm gonna need your help, guys. This is the last time.
What about Carlos?
He's gone on holiday.